I'm Mark Sonnenthal with the Sally Forster Jones Group. Welcome to 9818 Hythe Court. The moment you walk in here, you're surrounded by white panda marble. Now for me, I'm walking into a palace. This is a 9,500 square foot home. And here we're coming to a waterfall, walking over a glass bridge. What we see here is an amazing living room. This is a wonderful fireplace. Of course, nobody can come close to this because it's 18 carats. Everything is to give an earthy effect using different materials and different shapes. And when you look up, we have an amazing spiral of light. This gives the space an enormous sense of the height of this room. This stone is called sintered stone. So strong, but still so stylish. The energy that I feel when I sit here is talking about deep things of life. This is Italian, Murano glass. If we look above, look at this. This is just amazing. Moving into the dining room, we have the drama. This is Italian table, Brazilian onyx with gold leaf. 16 people. Matching on the fireplace over here is the same stone. And have a look at this drop of chandelier. That's what you call dramatic. I'm sitting at the head of the table. What do I see here? More pops of color. Look at that, just gorgeous. Due to this open floor plan, you're never feeling claustrophobic. Everything here is about expanse. Moving to the kitchen now, I want to show you my favorite chandeliers. This reminds me of Snow White and the Dark Witch. It's glamorous, it's expansive, like this kitchen. The marble has lighting behind it, and it shows you all these patterns and colors. It transports you to a different universe. This is not your average kitchen. This is magic. Voila, the secret room of contemplation. We have a desk here for writing down our private thoughts and emotions. We have a bath where we can relax. If you fancy a drink, lovely. Have a look and see what you're going to wear tomorrow. This is where the adults go to think and contemplate. Let's go see where the kids go play. And who doesn't want their own ball pit? Then we go to the outside play area with more magic to come. Check out this pool, check out the fountain. This is your own private palace. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me, and I look forward to see you on the next one.
Well, if you like that, be sure to subscribe and follow so you can get new content right to your inbox all the time. Is that how it works? Click follow, subscribe, and smash that button. Do all those things. I'll see you soon.